I wanted to give you an introduction to how I interpret pi. So what I'll do is I will take the first occurrences of numbers in the Bible. This, for instance, is the first occurrence of 141. And look at the first occurrence of a word with Gematria equal 141. So this word first shows up in Genesis 1:12 in the word leminehu, which this means two, and mean is kind. And this suffix means his. So this is speaking of seed that produces more seed, fruit that produces more fruit after its kind. So the mechanism here we know with genetics is DNA. And DNA has a sequence. So this is hypothetically a sequence that's being identified here. Another way to look at this is you could take 141, the same number, and although this isn't the first occurrence of the word, it's also the value of melakim. 40 plus 30 plus 1 plus 20 plus 10 plus 40 equals 141. And this word is angels. So how would I tie this together? So I believe that this sequence here is the genetic information of creation. It's the DNA of the tree of life. And because it's intelligible, it's giving us a message, and that's what the word angels means. Melakim means messenger. So let's look a little deeper at what this message might be. We can take these numbers here, 159 and 265, and we can add them together, and this equals 424, which is tohu and bohu. Now, Genesis 1:2 states that the earth is in a state of tohu and bohu. Now, the earth is a womb. The earth brings forth life. So, we have DNA subjected to the space of a womb, and what comes out is 358, which is Mashiach, or Messiah. This is being at its most fundamental. The first two letters in Jesus' name, Yod Shin, means is. This is a Hebrew word that means being. Like if something is, then it exists. And as a pretty interesting punchline to this, these four numbers, 3589, this is the average value of every single verse of the Torah. So this genetic sequence here, this DNA sequence, is the thing that has within it the blueprint of the universe. And so it makes sense that the Torah, which is also seen as a blueprint to the universe, would show up so early, and that Mashiach, Jesus, would be connected to that, him being the Word. This was just an introduction, and I'm using this method to explore hundreds of thousands of digits, hopefully leveraging computational power in the form of possibly artificial intelligence or just high-level algorithms to search for new cures, new technologies, new forms of entertainment. If you want to be involved, you can find my email in the description of this video. Please reach out. Peace.